You will learn how to create different shapes in Microsoft Word document from this video guide. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch my Microsoft Word. So let's work with blank documents. All right, so let's say the first shape we want to insert here is triangle. All right, I'll click on insert, then I'll click on shapes. So this lists some shapes, okay? The first category is the one I recently accessed. I accessed recently the shapes. Then you get to these basic shapes. All right, you can see this text box. So once you take your cursor to any of them, you will see the name. This is isosceles triangle. So let's work with it. So I'll click on it. Once you click on it, take your cursor to the section of the document where you want to insert it. Then press down on the left button of your mouse. Press down on the left button of your mouse. Then you drag to get the shape you want. All right. So let's say this is the shape I want, but I don't want this color inside. Okay. What you need to do anytime you want to change the color inside, click on the shape. So here is already selected. Then the next step is to click on this shape format. It will appear at the top once you select the shape. All right. Then click on this shape fill, and here select no fill so that there'll be nothing to be filled inside. Okay. So with this shape has be inserted here without any fill. And if you want to make the outline thicker, this line thicker, what you need to do is to click on this shape outline. Okay, then you will see the weight option. Then one point is selected here. Maybe I want as big as 6 points. I'll click on these 6 points. Now that I've inserted this shape, what if a situation whereby I want to insert another shape? How do we go about it? By default, once a shape is inserted, you may not be able to insert another one under if you don't make changes to how text and shape appears. So what you need to do is to click on this. Once you select the shape, click on this icon you will see here. It's called layout options. So click on that. So once you click on that, select this option in line with text. So this will allow us to jump to the next slide under and do what we want to do. So I'll click on that. Then after that, I'll click after this shape here. Then press enter. All right. Then let's insert the second shape. So I'll click on insert but tab again. And then I'll select shapes as well. Another basic shapes. Let's say I want to insert this right angle triangle. So I'll click on that and I'll take my cursor to where I want to insert it. Then I will drag, okay, until I get the shape I want. Remember, you have to press down on the left button of your mouse before you drag. And after, release the pressure. So this right angle triangle has been, inserted here. I can decide, okay, to change the fill color. Maybe I want to fill it with red here. If here, we didn't fill with any color. So let's try another style. And maybe I want to make the outline to be bolder. I'll go to weights. And let's work with 4 points here. So that's good. And with this, if I want to insert another shape under, it will not work. So I'll click on this and click on this icon and select inline with text. Then after that, I'll click here and press enter to get to the next lines. All right, then let's insert another shape. I'll click on insert and I will go with the shapes option. And then let's work with rectangle here. So I'll click on this rectangle and then I will draw. All right. Okay, it has been added. Let's do some, formatting. Once the shape format is there, click here. Maybe I don't want to fill here. I will select no fill. Then the outline, click here and select weight and have it as 6 as well. So with this, we have some shapes here. I'll click here and select in line with text. Okay, it has been jumped to the next page. So this is how you can insert, shapes in Microsoft Word documents.